and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Accused in Vedhahsri Parab dual suicide case still untraceable even after 12 days of suicide. SP DIG say efforts are on but no results yet. Modi Sarkar decides to shut down mines falling within 1 kilometer of buffer zones in Goa with immediate effect. MOEF and Law Ministry clear the file. Davlikar's Hindu Nation statement is an attempt to cover up CAG report expose. Deepak Davlikar and Francis D'Souza should resign, say Congress. Congress suspends Youth Congress President Valanka Alema for indiscipline. Valanka alleges harassment and torture. And India's Prakash Nanjappa wins silver medal in shooting. Australia and England engage in classic contest at Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Canada mesmerized in gymnastics. Now the news in detail. Police have miserably failed to nab accused Parab family even after 12 days of the Vedhahsri and her daughter's suicide. Senior police officers claim that they are on the job and are tracking the accused husband Yogesh, father-in-law Atmaram and mother-in-law Amita. But the question arises, why Madgaon police let all the accused go off radar? Vedhahsri's parents and Masorde villagers met the local MLA Vishwajit Rane. Rane has assured them that he will raise this issue in the assembly.
Madgaon police says that they are unable to find whereabouts of accused husband, father-in-law and mother-in-law of late Vedhahsri. DIG KK Vyas told Prudent that, "I have given clear directions to arrest all the accused of this case and SP South is monitoring the investigation." SP South Shekhar Prabhudesai told Prudent that, "We got a call on Friday night that the accused are hiding in Mendkure village. 2 teams of Madgaon and Bicholi police searched that place, but nobody was found there. We are trying to trace them in every possible manner." Parents of Vedhahsri and Masorde villagers met Vishwajit Rane, who is Valpai MLA. Rane assured them that he will raise this issue in the assembly on Monday.
And आम्ही विरोधी पक्ष नेते बी सांगतले आणि मांडतले सोमारा की बाबा मुख्यमंत्री विचार म्हणून की बाबा तू न्याय दितलो काय ना वेदश्री बेश्टे उत्तरां दिली म्हणून जायना. आमकां न्याय जाय. वेदश्री तिका जे कोणी हे सिच्युएशन केल्ले आसा ज्या कारणा खातीर तिने आपल्या भुरग्याक घेवन जीव दिल्ले आसा हे आमकां उत्तर ह्या सरकारान आपले पुलीस मशिनरी जे आसा जे परत एकदा आमी आरोप करता हे सिलेक्टिवली सेन्सिटिव्ह जाल्ले आसा आमी तो पर्यंत पावलां घेवपाचे आमी थारचे ना.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
The hopes of phasing out mines in the buffer zone are almost over. The Narendra Modi-led union government has decided to go ahead with the last notification of the UPA government ordering immediate shutdown of the mines within 1 kilometer of the buffer zone. Sources in Delhi revealed that Goa government has already been briefed about the decision and a final notification is just a matter of time. Prudent has got exclusive details of how the decision-making happened in spite of pressure from the Goa government.
It is almost over for the mines falling under 1 kilometer buffer zone. Efforts by the state government and number of mining companies to phase out the mines over a period of next 10 years have reached a dead end. In spite of the regime change and continuous pressure from the Goa government, the central government has decided to go ahead with UPA's last notification about the mines in the buffer zone. Here is what happened. MOEF sent the phasing out file to Law Ministry for legal advice. Law Secretary opined that phasing out is not possible. He suggested Goa government to get phasing out order from the Supreme Court. Law Minister signed the file after agreeing with the Secretary. The file reached back to the MOEF. MOEF Minister also signed it, marking seen and signed. The implications of these developments are simple yet significant. Union government has clearly said that phasing out of the mines falling within 1 kilometer of buffer zone is not possible. They have, however, advised the Goa government. The decision to close the mines with immediate effect cannot be deferred. If Goa government is in the favor of phasing out of the mines, then government should approach the Supreme Court to get specific directions in this regard. Although this suggestion has come from the union bureaucracy, they privately agree that it is very unlikely that the apex court gives such a direction. Sources say Secretary with Goa government R.K. Srivastava visited Delhi couple of days back. The ministers have conveyed the same sentiments to him. Earlier, after issuing phasing out notification, Union government during the final days of UPA 2 had revoked that notification and issued a new one ordering immediate shutdown of mines within 1 kilometer buffer zone. Bureau Report, Prudent.
State Congress feels that Deepak Davlikar was trying to cover up PWD and GSIDC scams exposed by the CAG report by making controversial statements in the House. Deepak Davlikar had made a statement on Hindu Nation which had created a stir in the political circuit. John also demanded resignation of Deepak Davlikar and Francis D'Souza. Congress will approach the governor and thereafter even the court if needed.
Deepak Baban matla assembly, Francis D'Souza matla assembly, both are unconstitutional and they should be disqualified as ministers because they have violated their oath, saying that they will uphold the constitution. हे आमी गव्हर्नराक बरयतले आनी सांगतले तांकां दोगांय काडून उडोवचे म्हणून मंत्री पदांतले काडून उडोवचे म्हणून आनी गव्हर्नर जर एक्शन घेयना then there is a possibility of us approaching the court. It is not over. They are doing their duty, they should do it better.
Congress will file a charge sheet against BJP government on 11th August. Charge sheet copies will be handed over to the governor and Congress MLAs.
On the 11th we go for the Dharna. That morning the memorandum will be given to the Congress MLAs also that those issues may be raised in the House.
Regarding the Dahej mineral release bribery case, media questioned John as to why Ranis are blaming him of being a conspirator. John said that the matter is in the court and the person pointing fingers at him are accused in the case.
Court, I don't want to comment. What is said in the court, I don't want to comment. Let him say that in the court. John Fernandez has not made any allegation against her. I was never involved in any mining. Somebody has made it. It was improper that financial allegation was made here. See, no conspiracy case has been filed against me. Conspiracy case has been filed against those people who you name. 120B is filed against them in the FIR, not against me. So allegation can be made by anybody. So let those allegations be there.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Sushant Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.